air. That is the proper movement of you using your lower body to create power while you keeping your posture without early extending. So one of my favorite drills in order to overcome early extension is using just a golf club. You're gonna put it across your chest and make it longer on the right side. You're going to get into a fully pivoted backswing position, once again loading your trail hip. Then in the downswing, we are feeling the right shoulder working down as the left hip goes back. The grip should be almost pointing down towards the golf ball, and you should feel a crunch. The right hip and the right shoulder are getting closer through impact as you begin to rotate open towards the golf ball. That'll then allow you to keep a bent right arm through impact without you having to jump and throw your arm structure at the golf ball. It's almost as if you were skipping a rock or throwing a sidearm pitch. In baseball, if you're going to throw a sidearm pitch, you can clearly see how the right shoulder is staying down to the ball, the hips are staying open, and also they're staying back up against that imaginary wall that we were discussing. So if you were skipping a rock, it's the exact same feeling of you maintaining your posture through the impact zone. Thank you for watching. If you apply the instruction that I just demonstrated for you, you are never going to jump in your golf swing ever again.